Hey, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make lots of KR on Krunker. Pretty big game. I don't know, not super big, but computer game. So first you're gonna want to go here. You're gonna go to your profile and friends button and click on this. Your name, complete the security check. You might have to fill out one of these. Sometimes you don't. Verify. And then this is what you're doing. So you go here. You want to search for anything. You could search for a certain type of weapon. You could search for a certain type of rarity. If you're looking for like a lot of money, do like a really higher rarity, but you're still way less likely to sell it. So what you want to do, now that you're here, you want to click on one of your weapons, like we got Autumn AK. Then you want to click the search button. And you want to see if this, I'm gonna purchase this, because it's less than its normal value, so you purchase. Now you're going back into your inventory, and you list it for a bit more than you bought it for. But you have to do it a bit more because you still have to pay fees. So just make it cheaper than all the other ones. But so, as you can see, I have a few big listings I showed you in the beginning. Oh, being glitchy. One sec. Reopen it. Yeah, I have like this big listing, and I think it's still cheap. Oh, no, it's not cheaper anymore. I bought it then it was cheaper, but now it's not. So that's why you kind of want to stay away from super expensive items. So yeah, that's the video. Pretty quick. Enjoy. See you in the next one.